Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're down at a creek. We're actually at a creek I've fished many times before, just never this section. It looks super juicy, guys. Check this. We're at this bridge right here. I'm actually gonna fish from shore here. And then we're gonna get in our raft and go upstream. But man, it looks so good. Water stained. But we have a whopper plopper tied on, guys, so we're gonna see what we can do, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, let's show you what we're doing. We get these 2 poles untangled. I'm bringing 2 poles with me today, like I normally do in the raft. We're gonna start it off with the baitcaster with the whopper plopper 75. Last video I was using the 90, the white color. Today's stained water, cloudy skies, so we're gonna go with black. Like I said, we're gonna cast around here for a little bit before we get in the raft. See what type of fish are in this section. Assuming we'll catch some smallmouth. We'll probably catch some red breast sunfish. Check out the water temp. Get my foot in the water. Oh yeah, it's definitely getting cooler, guys. Nights have been getting colder, so. See what's willing to hit today. Got some smaller fish surfacing under the bridge here. Seems pretty deep. Good bite. Fish. Little bass. Little fat largemouth. Nico Helgramite. Alrighty guys, we're in another section of the creek. Not much going on over there. Just got that one bass. So I decided, this is actually the same creek. A creek that I fish all the time. Just a different section. Gave it a shot, you know, but definitely try it again. It looked pretty juicy. It was deep. Just didn't get not much action. So here I just have my 1 medium heavy rod. I'm gonna mainly try to throw neds and swim baits, things like that. I got a baby goat tied on here, Z-Man product. I'll show you it real quick. That's the color I'm using, is Canada Craw. Like I said, just got the 1 rod right now, just because there's a lot of obstacles in this part of the creek. Much easier just carrying 1 rod than 2. See how cold this water is over here. Oh wow, it's a lot warmer than where I was fishing this morning. It's a deep pool right down here. I usually catch a couple. Actually, I haven't fished this section of the creek though since last year. Let's see where the water comes in through here. A lot of snag points in this section, but whoa. Little fish. Oh, look at the colors on this one though, guys. Look at that thing. It's got little teeth. See, dude. There's a bass. Little guy. There's a fish. A smallie right in the current. Oh, there he goes. There's one. This one's better. Not a monster by any means, but hopefully the best one of the day so far. Yeah, not a bad little creek smallie, guys. They're so dark right in here. Yeah, they're pretty much right in that current waiting for food to come down. Time I throw it up there, I get a bite. Let me try to get a better angle over here. I don't kill myself. At least we're getting on some fish. Nothing huge by any means, but see right where this kind of little waterfall comes down right into there, off the rocks. Oops, terrible cast though. Hey guys, looks like we're coming up to a deeper hole here. Maybe there'll be some bass in here. Oh yeah, it's looking nice over here. Lots of rocks, place for these smallies to hide under. That's what I'm guessing. There it is. As soon as I threw it in there, what do we got? What is this? Yep. Little red breast. There he is. So many of those in this creek. Oh, came off. That was a little smallie. Oh, 2 casts. As soon as it hits the water, 2 bites, so. That's a smallie though. Not a bad 10-incher. It's just so dark in this creek though. Stop, dude. See, bro. We'll get bigger. Not sure how much bigger you'll get in here, but let's get a little bigger. Man, instant. Super aggressive fish. That looks like a hybrid of a red breast and something. Let's see what you look like. Eh, maybe not. It's just long. That's a bass. Tell by the way he's digging. Oop, there he goes. Quick release. Alrighty guys, we're at another spot. Spot number 3. Actually part of the Lackawaxen River. Never fished this part before. Just trying to find a weight down there. Oh, wow. Might be one here, it's deep. There he is. A Smallie. There it is. There's a fish. Got him on the B-Vibe, guys. A new section here, and we'll bring down the ultralight setup. There he is. Nice little Smallie. It's another one. 2 fish, 3 casts on the ultralight. Oh, red breast. Decent red breast too. Wow. There he is, guys. Nice big red breast. Here's a fish. Not a bad one right there, guys, compared to what I've been catching. I'm on the B-Vibe. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it. We caught a whole bunch of fish today. Nothing real big, anywhere from 8 to 12 inch, most of them were. But when we got down here, we switched to ultralight with the Euro Tackle B-Vibe. And honestly guys, I probably caught a dozen fish just here, which I'm not going to probably post all those, but kind of be a little bit boring. But we started the video off with the Z-Man swimmer, and we caught some. But I guarantee you guys, if I would have fished that creek this morning with the B-Vibe, the ultralight setup, I probably would have caught 50 fish, 75 fish today. Easy. But like always guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.